Everyone, say hi to this little cutie pie. This is Jax. This is my new puppy. He's 14 weeks old. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty author, and welcome to Sewing Talk Tuesday. So I hope everybody had a relaxing weekend, and I wanted to just jump right in and talk about what we talk about on Sewing Talk Tuesday. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. What we do on Sewing Talk Tuesday is we talk about things that we're working on in the craft room. We talk about everything sewing related, and sometimes things that aren't sewing related, but mostly sewing related, but it is always craft related. I share fabric hauls and all kinds of fun stuff. So today is no different than any other Sewing Talk Tuesday. We're going to jump right into it. I am really excited to share with you. You probably saw him at the beginning of this video, that we got a new puppy, and his name is Jax, and he is so adorable and so sweet. He is 14 weeks old, and so he's still adjusting. We just got him this past Saturday. So we're kind of strange to him a little bit still. So things are gradually getting a little bit easier with him. So he's still not real sure. You know, he's still a little bit unsure. But I can tell you he fits right in. So you can tell he's starting to feel more comfortable because he's starting to get a little more playful. So that's a good sign. All right. So I'm going to just start talking about some things that I have here. I want to talk about this book that I picked up for my grandsons. And you can pick them up for your children or your grandchildren. This was recommended to me by Jackie. So thank you, Jackie, for recommending this book to me. It was written and illustrated by Nancy Elizabeth Wallace. It is called The Kindness Quilt. And I haven't even seen my grandsons to share this with them yet, but I'm excited to do so. So, yes, we are going to make one of these ourselves. So I wanted to share this with you in case you also wanted to share this with a child in your life. So again, that book is called The Kindness Quilt, and thank you, Jackie, for recommending it. And you can get this book on Amazon. I will link to it below in the description box. Next thing on my agenda is some fabric that I found at Joann's. So I went to Joann's yesterday because I needed to pick up some fabric for the project that we're going to make on Friday. You are going to love this project. It is going to be for the 4th of July, and it will be another wall hanging. It is my own pattern that I have designed, and I will be selling the pattern on Etsy. I have not figured out for how much, but I promise you it will not be expensive. So what I found at Joann's was in their clearance bin. These were 75% off of the already discounted price. So this one is a Colorado print. It has all kinds of really pretty items that relate to Colorado on it. Was normally $14.99. They marked it down to $10.40. And then I got 75% off of that yet. So pretty decent deal. This one is a Kiss, like the rock band Kiss. This is some Kiss fabric. I'm thinking that I'm probably going to make some bags or some little coin purses out of this, because this is perfect for that. There's this real pretty floral print. I just really thought that was so pretty. I thought it would make a really nice like little satchel bag. I might make these and just put them up in my store, and whoever wants them can have them. This one is the American flag, I do believe. Let's open this one up. I'm curious. I want to see it. I think this might be a panel? No, it's not a panel. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that one. How cool that is. Really. Ooh, that'd be pretty. That'd be a fun one to fussy cut. Okay, well, now that we know, I really dig that. That's really nice. Could also use that on a canvas project. Just never know. You just never know. Next one is Cruella. So you know the movie that's coming out now. They had some Cruella fabric in that discount bin, which really surprised me. So, of course, you know I had to pick that up too. So let's open this one as well and see what it looks like, because I am curious. Cute. That's actually really quite cute. Do you see that? All that Cruella. Yeah, I'll probably make little bags out of these. Little zipper pouches that can be used for the summertime. I think those would be a lot of fun to make. All right, let's move along, shall we? Everything's a hot mess over here. I'm just saying. It's a hot mess. All right, so I picked up this really cute little dog fabric. This is fleece. I got this for my little Jax. I'm gonna just serge around the edges. And because it's so soft, I just want to serge around the edges. And then he'll have his own blanket to sleep on in his little bed. He has a bed in his kennel, but I just think it's kind of nice when they have their own blankets. Of course, you know, my Sophie used to take over, and she would take over every quilt that I made. So there's that. I'm sure he will do the same as time goes on. So I got that. All right. So I have named my wall hanging the 4th of July Star Spangled wall hanging. So that is what we will be making on Friday. You will not want to miss it. Like I said, I will have a pattern available for you to purchase off of Etsy. But I do want to show you the fabrics that I did choose for the actual pattern itself. And I will have all of the yardage and all of the measurements and everything that you will need in order to make this. That will be in the pattern itself. You can hear my puppy. He's crying because he can't come down here. His dad, my husband, won't let him come downstairs with me. So this is for the main star. So it will be blue. I will put a picture on here too at the very end so you can see what this looks like. So make sure you watch until the very end so that you know what this is gonna be. And then the red is for the stripes of the flag. This is the white fabric. Now I'm making 2 of them, so I have a lot of fabric here. This has the stars in it. This is also for the stripes. It's also part of the background fabric. These are the stars that will go inside of the flag. This is the border that will go around the outside of our wall hanging. And then this is what we will bind it with again, with the white starred fabric. So it's going to be amazing. I was so pleased with it. I have to tell you, when I drew it out, because I draw everything out by hand anyway. I'll just show you my scratch. That's my chicken scratch. And then I drew it out on my iPad and saved it as a PDF. So it looks a lot nicer now. I have the colors that they're actually right, and they look fantastic. So, but this is how I start. I always sketch a pattern out before I do it. And then of course I figure out all the math that's needed. So, but this is what we're going to be making Friday. And I hope you're as excited about it as I am, because I'm really, really excited to see what this looks like. Finished size of this should be somewhere, I want to say around 54 by 54. It could be a little bit larger. I won't know until I actually put it together and see how, you know, it goes with trimming and whatnot. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be close to 54 by 54. So if you're looking for something that's beautiful for the 4th of July, this is it. That's really all I have this week. So if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. I upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. Tuesdays are Sewing Talk Tuesday. Fridays are tutorials. And keep on crafting. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Stay tuned so you can see the pattern.